Kick it up, try to build up pressure, and air keeps coming out of this. So obviously we got something wrong with this, so let's go ahead and get into it. It looks like there's one, two, three screws, so I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Looks like we have one lead here that's going to this switch. So if I pull that off, I can pull the entire thing off, it looks like, or at least it gives me a lot of room. So I got to pull this one off too. 3/4 and 11/16. Go ahead and remove the rest of this. I got this guy, but as you can tell, he's a little shorter, so it's going to be hard to couple this because you got to stick it out this hole. I want it out a little more. So what I'm going to do is put an extension on like this. Then I'm going to screw that in. So I'm going to take some tape like this, and then I'm going to put this on. I'm going to go to the bench, I'm going to tighten this up. I went ahead and took the liberty of doing that to that one. I'm going to put it in here. Everything is fixed except for this. Take this tank out to access that guy. New guy. I'm going to unscrew it. Now I just deal with this. Okay. Put that guy back. And put this guy back. All right, looks like we got everything good. The coupler's holding, the drain valve is holding. Perfect. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to fix a coupler and a drain valve on a portable compressor.